Students, last video class we saw that properties of set operation. In that three property I told. What are the three property? Commutative property, associative property, distributive property. What is commutative property? For any two set A and B, A union B is equal to B union A. This is union. Next one is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Exercise 1.4, second question. Test for the commutative property of union and intersection of the sets. P is equal to X such that X is a real number between 2 and 7 and Q is equal to X such that X is an irrational number between 2 and 7. Our question is verify the commutative property of union and intersection of sets. Here we have to verify that union and intersection of commutative property. P set and Q set is they given as a set builder format. We should convert that one as a roster format. So P is equal to X is a real number between 2 and 7. Between 2 and 7 is 3, 4, 5, 6. Next Q set is they given as X is an irrational number between 2 and 7. Irrational is what it is, 2 after it is, I am writing is root 3. This is irrational number. Root 4 it is not a irrational number. Next one, root 5. Next one is root 6. This is irrational number between 2 and 7. Now you know that P set and Q set. Our question is verify that commutative property of union and intersection of sets. First I am going to verify that union. Union is, what is the formula for commutative properties? A union B is equal to B union A. Here our set name is P and Q. According to that you should change that one. P union Q is equal to Q union P. Now you should verify that one. First this side I am verifying. P union Q. P set is 3, 4, 5, 6. Union Q set is root 3, root 5, root 6. Union means join together, write the element as 1 times. Therefore what you will get 3, 4, 5, 6, root 3, root 5, root 6. This is P union Q. Next one, find Q union P. First time you should write Q set. Q set is root 3, root 5, root 6. Union P set is 3, 4, 5, 6. For both you should take union. First I am writing this one. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then root 3, root 5, root 6. Here I am giving this one as 1. This one is 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what you will get? Both the equal. That is implies P union Q is equal to Q union P. That is what it is. It is verified that union of set is commutative. Next I am going to verify that commutative property of intersection of set. Intersection is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Here our set name is P intersection Q is equal to Q intersection P. First you should verify this one. P intersection Q. P set is 3, 4, 5, 6. Intersection Q is root 3, root 5, root 6. Intersection means it should be a common element. Where it is common element? No, there is no common element. So you should write a empty set. There is no element here. Next I am going to find Q intersection P. Q set is root 3, root 5, root 6. Intersection P is 3, 4, 5, 6. Any common element is there? No. So you should write like this. It is a empty set. Here I am giving this one as 3, this one is 4. From 3 and 4 implies P intersection Q is equal to Q intersection P. That means both are equal. Therefore, it is verified that intersection of set is commutative. Third question, if A is equal to P, Q, R, S, B is equal to M, N, Q, S, T and C is equal to M, N, P, Q, S, then verify associative property of union of sets. Associative property only they ask the question, means you should find that union and intersection of set. But our question is they are asking only union of set. So you should find this one. That formula I am written here. Union of set is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Here first you should take LHS side. In LHS side you are having the bracket is this one, B union C. So first you should find B union C. B set is M, N, Q, S, T. Union C set is M, N, P, Q, S. Union means join together and write. First one is M is present in both the sets. So you should write one time. N also present in both the set. You write one time. Next one P, I included P. Next Q, S, T. This is B union C. Next you should find the full part. A union B union C. A union B union C is equal to A set you write P, Q, R, S. Union B union C, you find that answer, no? That one you should substitute. M, N, P, Q, S, T. For both you should take union. First I am writing M, N. Next one is P, Q, R, S, T. This is LHS side, A union B union C. This one I am marking that one as 1. Next you should find RHS side. RHS side is bracket is you having is A union B. First you should find inside the bracket. So A union B first you should find. A set is P, Q, R, S. Union B set is M, N, Q, S, T. For both you should take union. First I am writing M, N, P, Q, R is there, R, S, T. Next you should find the full part RHS side. RHS side is A union B union C. A union B, this one. That answer here I am substituting M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. Union C set is M, N, P, Q, S. For both you should take union. What it is? M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. This is full part of RHS side. This one I am marking as 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 you see that answer. Both answer equal. Therefore it is verified. That one you should write it. Here I am writing it as from 1 and 2 it is verified that what? A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. This means both answer equal. Fifth question. If A is equal to X such that X is equal to 2 power N, N belongs to W and N less than 4. B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2 into N. 2N means 2 into N. N belongs to capital N and N less than or equal to 4. And C set directly they given 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Then verify the associative property of intersection of sets. They are asking only intersection of sets. In the question they given A and B set is set builder format, that should be converted into roster format. So A is equal to, the formula is given, X is equal to 2 power N. N belongs to W. So N starts 0. So that can be written as 2 power 0, comma 2 power 1, 2 power 2 power 3 because the n values are given as n less than 4. So 2 power 3 is equal to, simplify this one, 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 2 into 2 is 4, 2 is multiplied in 3 times, you will get 8. Therefore, this is A set. Next, we should find B set. B is equal to, B set is given as x is equal to 2n, 2 into n, that n belongs to natural number. That means n should start 1 and end with n less than or equal to 4. So, how I am finding is B is equal to 2n, no, 2 into 1, comma, 2 into 2, comma, 2 into 3, comma, 2 into 4. We end with 4 because n less than or equal to 4. Now simplify this one. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8. This is B set. C set directly they given. C set is 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Next only I am going to find that associative property of intersection of set. Intersection of set is formula is what? A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. First you should verify in LHS side. LHS side you should verify the first in bracket, inside the bracket. Bracket what you are having is B intersection C. B set is 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection C set is 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. For both you should take intersection. Intersection means common element. Common element is what? Here 2. Next one is 6. So you should circle the common element. The answer is 2, 6. Common element is 2, 6. Next you should find that full part of LHS side. LHS side is A intersection B intersection C. A set is 1, 2, 4, 8. Intersection B intersection C answer is 2, 6. Now you should see that one, which one is common element. Common element is this only one element, that is 2. Therefore answer is 2. This is LHS side part. That one you should mark it as 1. Next I am going to find that RHS side part, that is inside the bracket. First you should find that one is A intersection B. So A intersection B is equal to A element is 1, 2, 4, 8. Intersection B element is 2, 4, 6, 8. For this also you should take intersection, that means common element. What is that common? It is, you should circle that one, 2. Next one is 4. Next one is 8. Therefore common is 2, 4, 8. After that you should find the full part of RHS. RHS is A intersection B bracket intersection C. A intersection B answer is 2, 4, 8. Intersection C set is 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. For both the set, what is that common element? 2 you are getting. Only one element. Therefore answer is 2. This is full part of RHS side answer. So this one you should mark it as 2. From 1 and 2, what you will get? Both are equal. How you should write it is, from 1 and 2, it is verified that, what is the formula, associative formula? A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Both are equal. Thanks for watching.